Okay. What about converting a decimal to a percentage? What you need to remember is a percentage, usually the highest percentage you can get to is 100. Or if you think of it in terms of what you can get for a test, the highest you can get is 100%. So with that in mind, we will usually multiply your decimals by 100, and that will give you your percent. And remember, when you multiply a decimal by 100, all you're doing is taking your decimal point and shifting it. The direction in which you shift it is important because, remember, you're trying to make the number bigger because you're multiplying it. So you are going to shift your decimal point that way, to the right. And by how many places? 2, because there are 2 zeros in 100. So we times this by 100, the decimal shifts 1, 2, which gives you 72%. Over here, again, we times by 100, but when I shift my decimal, I only have one place to shift it, and I need to shift it 2 places. So, what's the golden rule? Buff it with a 0. Go and add 1 in. Remember, with numbers, there are invisible zeros in the front and invisible zeros in the back. You just don't see them because you don't need to use them, but they're there. So buff a 0, and that gives you 2 places that you need. You shift it 2, gives you 40%. Don't forget that percent sign, that's your unit of measurement. Okay? But what happens when there's a whole number? Again, don't panic. Just move your decimal point 2 places. So here, it goes 1, 2. Let me just show you 1, 2. And then it becomes 247%. Now I know I said that percentages usually work out of 100, but it is possible to get something like that. Okay? And again here, I have a whole number. Don't panic, just move your comma thing 2 places to the right. But again, I only have 1. Buff it with a 0. Move it 2 places, and you end up with 320%.